Hi guys and welcome back. My name's Natalie from Wiplabs.com, the go-to store for innovative, crowd-funded tech products. If you think you have a product that belongs in our store, let us know. Send us an email, info@wiplabs.com. Today, we are going to do an unboxing of the Stag EKG electric pour-over kettle. Basically the nicest kettle that you can find on the market, I think. So, here we go. This is the box. That's the size. On the back it gives you some instructions, some beautiful pictures. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, another nice section that tells you more about what's in the box. A pretty green color. Here is the safety and instruction guides and a quick start and feature and brew guide. Very nice. There's the plug. And there it is. The lid. The big reveal. Wow, that is a pretty kettle. Look at that. Like this. And the base, which is a nice square base. Tells you 200 degrees. This is where it tells you what temperature it is actually. Right here, and this is the knob to adjust the temperature. So that goes on like that, and this sits there like this. Tell me that's not the most beautiful kettle you've ever seen. Beautiful spout, beautiful materials. Comes in several different colors, but I think black is a very classy color. And you can change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius on the back. And the plug has a 3-prong plug. I think that's it in the box. I mean, what else do you need in a kettle, right? But yeah, that's basically it. A very, very beautiful, stylish, well-designed kettle. This is the Stag EKG. I would love to hear what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching and for listening, and I hope to see you soon on Wiplabs.com.